And we begin this afternoon with the latest on the rollout of those COVID booster shots. You know, most providers in the Charlotte area have started giving Pfizer boosters to those who qualify. If you're 65 or older, have a medical condition that puts you at high risk, or work in a setting where you could be exposed to the virus, as well as getting those Pfizer shots at least 6 months ago, you can get that third dose.
And WCNC Charlotte's Chloe Leshner is live for us this afternoon to talk more about this story. Chloe is over at Novant Health, which is located in Elizabeth. So Chloe, question today, have vaccine providers in the area been seeing a lot of demand for these boosters?
Hey, Bill, definitely not as much demand as when the first doses of the vaccine were available, but this is a much smaller and more specific group of people who are eligible. The Mecklenburg County Health Department gave about 80 booster shots yesterday, and they are expecting that number to go up from here. For many, it's time for a third round of the COVID vaccine.
The quote booster that's being given out is the same product that you would have received before. There's no difference in it.
It's only for those who got the first 2 Pfizer shots at least 6 months ago, who are 65 or older. And according to the CDC, 18 to 49-year-olds with underlying medical conditions or people who work in a setting where they could be exposed may get a boost in immunity too.
If you're in the may not should category and have more questions, we really recommend that you speak to your primary care physician or a trusted healthcare provider about your individual risks or benefits of receiving this additional dose.
The Mecklenburg County Health Department, StarMed, Novant, and Atrium Health all started giving third doses Monday. For now, focused on those most at risk, many who were vaccinated early on in the rollout.
When there are certain groups that we're seeing evidence that there may be higher risk rate of hospitalization and death, or, more severe disease of whatever type, then that's when, especially it becomes important for boosters to be considered.
There's no doctor's note needed. People just have to self-attest they're eligible. And unlike the first time most of these people were vaccinated, there's not a short supply of shots.
There are plenty of appointments for vaccination available in different settings at Atrium and then out in the community, plenty of accessibility for those that want to get vaccinated. So we'll just continue to encourage people to utilize those resources.
And if you are eligible for a booster, you don't necessarily have to go where you went to get your first shots. For many people, that was probably one of those mass vaccination sites, and there really aren't plans to bring those back at this point. Just be sure that you bring your vaccination card with you, and you should know Novant Health is not taking walk-in appointments for the booster shot. Live at Novant Health, Chloe Leshner, WCNC Charlotte.
Good information, Chloe. Thank you.